guys, Hackakid here, and in today's video we are going to make this awesome game in which that Call of Duty game in which we have to hit this target from the training of Call of Duty Modern Warfare, and we have this gun. So if you miss, you lose. So let's get straight into it. So first we don't need this Sprite, so we'll paint our Sprite, and we have this now. So we just need the target. So rest everything we will delete. So now we have this target. I'll just name this. Yeah, so we don't need this costume. And now we will go to a backdrop and we'll upload one. And now we have this Rust backdrop. So now we'll just convert this to vector. So I will delete this and upload another one. We will take the target. This time instead of taking this, we will take this. Yep, so now we have this gun and we'll name this gun to be more precise, MP5. Yep, so now we only need these both and this. So let's do the main thing. And flag click. And importantly, now if we do it normally, then it will rotate like this. Like this will go all around, but we don't want that. We want it so that this will turn instead of going like circling around. So for that we'll set this point here or behind, because we want this to rotate like this. So we'll do this. We'll go to code and we'll say when flag clicked, go to this place. And I guess I'll just delete this as well. Go to this place. Yeah. And then I will say point towards mouse pointer forever, and We will also need one bullet. Not that point towards mouse pointer. So now this is gonna point towards me. Yeah, again. So look, now it points towards me, but so I have done the same thing which I did with the gun with this bullet, because it was standing but now it's sleeping. So now we'll say when in flag click forever, if mouse down, then go to MP5. We don't need this because when we fire it, it will just start going towards the mouse pointer. So point towards mouse pointer, go to MP5, and then we wanted to show on high, and then move 10 steps, repeat until you are either touching the edge or target. So let's see if it works. Oh yeah, of course. So this is exactly in the edge, so whenever we're doing it, it's directly going in the edge. So what we'll do is we'll change it to here. Let's see if now it works. Yep, you can see it's exactly in the edge. So we'll take this like this. Now let's see. What's happening? Yeah, so wait, we'll just put another point towards mouse pointer over here, and then yeah, now it works. Just that the costume is a bit do I put it a bit slanting, I guess? Yeah, slanting. So now it should work. Or this is slanting. Yeah, so now this is it. Okay, so now we've got to program the target. When flag clicked, we want it to go here. We'll change the size to 50 here, and when flag clicked, go here. And now comes the part where we make this a bit interesting. So we will rename this to time left. You can name this whatever you want, but just for the sake of the video, name this time left to 5. Go here, and then forever change time left by 1. If we want it so that if it touches the bullet, then you will get 3 more seconds. And I need to make this visible. So if touching 50 call, then we wanted to set time left to 3. Let's see. It's instead of 1 we'll put -1, and it's going way too fast. So 0.1 second. Or actually we'll just create a new one because it's getting way too crowded in there and it won't work. Oh yeah, actually instead of 0.1 seconds I need to wait 1 second. Wait, I think my scratch is glitched, but it's fine, I guess. Yeah, and we wanted to go to random place. If touching 50 cal, and we will put 1. So if touching 50 cal or touching MP5. Yep. So now if it touches this also, it means you can't shoot it, right? So it'll go to random position. So that's it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to check out the next part coming very soon. And bye bye till my next video.